Hi everyone, you're all welcome back to my channel for today. We'll be looking at silent letters. Silent what? Letters. But today we'll be looking at silent letter B, we'll be looking at silent letter G, and finally H. Are we all there? Now, what are silent letters? They are letters that are officially in a spelling of a word, but they are not pronounced. They are officially in a spelling of a word, but they are not pronounced. Let's look at silent letter B. Number one is come. You find out that in the spelling, we have a B, but in the pronunciation, the B is silent. Come, come. Now let's look at numb. This is what? Numb. Doubt. The B is silent. Doubt. The B is what? Silent. Climb. Did you see those words? Climb. The B is also what? Silent. Let's look at subtle. Subtle. The B is silent. Bomb. In the spelling, B is there, but in the pronunciation, it is not there. Bomb. Pronounce this. Thumb. Pronounce this. Your thumb. Are you hearing? Now look at this number 8. Can we all pronounce this without the B? Plumber. What did I say? Plumber. Without the B. Plumber. But in the spelling, it should be there. But in the pronunciation, the B is silent. Now let's look at number 9. What is this word? Debt. What is this word? Debt and not debt. Number 10. We have lame. Number 10 is what? Letter G is the next one. Now you find out that for us to have a silent letter G, you find it in words that have the G that appears before N or H. When G appears before N or H, you find out that the G will not be pronounced, it will be silent. Let's look at this. We'll have this. Sign. What is this? To sign. And we have campaign. Number 2 is what? Campaign. Number 3, high. Did you hear the letter G there? No. But is it in the spelling? Yes. Colon. Your colon. Did you see this? Did you see the spelling and the pronunciation of the word? Colon. Now we have assign. G is also silent. Assign. Design. Did you see it? Design. Then we'll have reign. To reign as a king or queen. We'll have what? Reign. Then we'll have foreign. Is G silent there? Foreign. G is also silent. Now let's look at the next one, H. Now let's look at silent letter H. H. Silent letter H. Now, for silent letter H, you find out that it is silent in some words that particularly follow consonants like C, G, or R. You find out that the H will be silent. Or some English borrowed words from French language. From French language, you find out that the beginning of those words are also silent, letter H. Now let's look at the first one. We have silent letter H. If we have C, if it follows what? C, we have anchor. If H follows the consonant sound C, you find out that the H will be silent, anchor. That's number one. We'll have another one, archive. See this word, archive. Because of C came before H, that is why it is also silent. The H there is silent, but in the writing and the spelling, it is there. But in the pronunciation, the H is silent. Look at this word, chaos. Did you see that word there? Chaos. You find out that the H is also silent. We have this one, echo. We have what? Echo. Echo is also what? Silent. The H is silent in echo. Character. Character is also silent. We have Christmas. Christmas, it is also silent there. Now let's also look at the word when H follows G. When H follows G, it is also silent. When H follows G, it's silent. We have ghost. Ghost, might. You can find out that might, the G is not, the H there is not pronounced. Might. Light. Height. Did you see it? We have though. Though. H is not pronounced. Night. And so many others. Now let's look at it when R comes before H. When R comes before H, let's look at it. When R comes before H, it also makes it a silent letter. The H there is silent. We have rhyme. Rhyme. Rhyme, the H is silent. Reading. Reading, the H is also what? Silent. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros, the H is also silent in the word rhinoceros. And also at the beginning of some letters, of some words, when H starts some words, it's also silent. Especially the ones we say we borrow from French language is also what? Silent, like in R. Timing, your what? R. We'll have this. Honor is also what? Silent. We'll have honest is also silent. We'll have this. Is silent. Thank you so much for watching today's lesson. Do well to subscribe to our channel. You can also like and share. Thank you.